How to add search engine on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add search engine on Samsung Internet Browser. First, open the browser, and here you will find these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, just click settings, and now just click this one, address bar search, and here you will find add search engine. Just click on it and add anything you want here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.